Picture this scenario. You and someone else are both listed on a house that's foreclosed. What now, right? Well, let's break it down. When a property goes into foreclosure, it's typically because the owner failed to make mortgage payments. If you and another person are joint owners or co-signers on the mortgage, you're both legally responsible for the debt. So when the house gets foreclosed, the lender can come after both of you for any remaining balance on the loan after selling the property. Yep, it's a tough spot to be in, no doubt. Now, here's where it gets tricky. If the lender doesn't recoup the full loan amount from the foreclosure sale, they can pursue a deficiency judgment against you and the other owners. This means they can go after your assets or garnish your wages to cover the remaining debt. Ouch, right? But don't lose hope just yet. There are options to navigate this situation. You could negotiate a settlement with the lender to satisfy the debt, or explore other alternatives like loan modification or refinancing. Plus, seeking legal advice from a knowledgeable attorney specializing in real estate or foreclosure can provide valuable insights into your rights and potential courses of action. So if you find yourself in this predicament, don't panic. Take a deep breath, assess your options, and consider reaching out to professionals who can help steer you in the right direction. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there are steps you can take to work through it. Stay informed, stay proactive, and you'll find your way through this challenging time.